Okay, auction lot T1007 for our April the 10th online auction. This is a Hughes Craft aluminum Sea Runner 18 with an Evinrude E-Tech 150 on the back here. So this boat here, the trailer is registered as a 2003. It's a private consignment. The family believes the boat is registered as the same year, same vintage, 2003. The motor though is newer. They believe they replaced the motor, they wanted to say about 7 years ago, but the emission sticker on it says 2012 or 2011. So I would expect that that is the vintage. Regardless, the boat, the family bought a bigger boat. They bought about a 35 footer, and they'd only been using this one up in the Okanagan, just you know, for you know, water ski and stuff like that. They decided they wanted to get rid of it because they didn't use it at all last year. It had been sitting in storage underneath cover, but the cover collapsed, which collapsed the canopy. That was the kind of like the last straw. So the canopy is here, but it is damaged and does need to be replaced. Motor fires right up. We did give it a little bit of a clean, but regardless, I'll just kind of go through and walk around the outside. Hull looks to be in really good shape. I did take lots of pictures of that. So when you're online looking, you can you know, look at all the pictures of the underside. Trailer's got definitely some rust on it, you know, so probably needs either you know, good sandblast and paint, or you know, maybe some repairs. It's got bunks on it, as you can see. Single axle, 15-inch wheel, it looks like. Bumpers come with it. There's the navigation light on the back there. Swivels inside. Doesn't really have sleeper seats. Wow, I couldn't say that very well. Here, I'll just zoom in here for a sec. Yeah, it says conforms to 2011 US EPA. So you know, maybe it was a 2011 motor that they bought in 2013 or something like that, not sure. But regardless, that's the year of the motor. I'll just fire up the motor. I'm just going to put the tripod down here, so sorry for the jiggles. I don't have water connected to it, so I'm not going to let it run, but I will just set the tripod down and hop inside. Hope that worked for you. So like I said, Evinrude E-Tech 150 on an 18-foot tin boat. This thing probably hauls pretty good, I would think. Anyways, just a sec here, just gonna climb up. Interior, the cushions or material definitely need replacing. You can see both these seats back here, you know, lots of wear and material. The upholstery has been cracked. Swivel seat here, swivel seat up front, lots of staining. I did notice that there is some gear inside here. I believe that's a Garmin something. I don't know what that is. Let me look at it here. Oh yeah, Garmin GPS Maps 520S. That connects right there. So yeah, I don't know much about this stuff here. I don't know. I'm not a boat person at all. I'm a camper person. Oh, there you go. Horn works. Navigation light, anchor, and all that. I haven't tried any of the buttons other than the tilt, and of course the start. Two different storage compartments up top there on the bow. This swivel seat folds. The material is actually not in bad condition, but it is stained. And then of course you got the door here that closes. That obviously I put that chair in there, but yeah, you got storage under here. There's storage up front. There's some sort of plug thing up front there. You can see, and more storage. Glass all appears to be in good shape, but the cover here you can see is all the snaps are gone, both sides. I think I just made you look at me there for a sec. There's a whole bunch of other miscellaneous stuff inside there, some spare oil, crab trap stuff. So there we go. But yeah, I'll put that Garmin back inside. Oh, there's storage there. There's under compartment storage there. Both these seats fold over, and you know, there's storage underneath. That's that one and this one. There is the paddle and you know, maybe a little bit of miscellaneous. So yeah, again, I'll fold this one over so you can take a look. And so this is selling. Highest bid wins. And like I said, the canvas top, all the brackets are all bent and broken, and the canvas top is in really poor condition, but it is included if you want it. That way there you got a template of the way it is, and maybe you can get it replaced. I see the little pins are all here for it, you know, to connect it. A couple of boat bumpers. So this is a Hughes Craft C something 18, I forget. Look, it doesn't take me long, eh? Can't even see what it says. So, oh, just about fell out. See, that's what I get when I'm trying to do camera. Sea Runner. So it's a Hughes Craft Sea Runner 18. It's got a built-in fuel tank, I noticed, because I didn't do anything with fuel. But this is selling on April the 10th, 2024. Highest bid wins. Looked like it'd be a great fishing boat. Hope you get another buy-by auction.